everyone, this is Babita from class 8. I make the social science project. So welcome in the social science project world. So I make the different project like the Indian Constitution, fundamental rights and framework and the social events and the system of the courts. So let's we understand about social events. So what are social events? So first of all, the child marriage. When the child, first of all, the child labor, marriage, and who are eating the drugs and different things. First, we should understand about the child labor. The person who is working under age is as the 14 age is called the child labor. Now we come to the child marriage, where the child is getting married at the under age before the 18. So it is called the child marriage. Now what is about the pollution? Like in this, as we see in our society, there is lot of pollution. So this is coming the social levels. And next thing is about drugs. Many underage child are using drugs, smoking. These all things are coming the social levels. So what are the social levels? Now when social levels are broken, so we go to our constitution. So now we welcome to our constitution book. As we all know, the constitution book is drafted by a 7 members drafting chairman. So who is the drafting chairman of the constitution? The Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is a drafting member of the Indian Constitution. So we will show you about the Indian Constitution. It was ready in the 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. So now welcome to the Indian Constitution. Okay. So about Indian Constitution. The first page in the Indian Constitution is about the Indian Constitution preamble. The preamble of the Indian Constitution. As we all know, in the Indian Constitution there are 234 pages. So person cannot read all 234 pages. So we use only the preamble. That what is inside about the inside in the Indian Constitution. So now come to the fundamental rights. The first fundamental right is right to equality. That every person have right to equality against the law. That law treated every person equal. It will not discriminate according to your caste, religion, gender, etc. The next law is right to freedom. That every person have freedom of religious everything. She have every freedom. Like he can move here and the thought, expression, etc. Next is right against exploitation. As we see in the social levels, the child is working and the child marriage, child labor, all these. So it can be protected by the fundamental right against exploitation. So next thing is about right to freedom of religion. Every individual in the country have the right to freedom of the religion. They can practice any religious in their country. Next is cultural and educational right. That every person of the country have the right to education and they can practice any culture. So next, the most important right of the fundamental right is, which is also called the soul and heart of the constitution, is right to constitutional remedies. Because it is why it is important, because when all these fundamental rights broke, so we go to the court according to the right to constitutional remedies. So now we come to the system of the court. So this is the system of court. First I will show you the lower court. As we all know that when any local areas get affected, so we go to the local court. It is called the lower court or the local court or the trial court. Then it is come to the higher court. When you are not satisfied with the decision of the lower court, you can go to the higher court. It is in the state wise. There are 25 high courts in our country, India. Then we go to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, if you are not satisfied with the decision of the Supreme Court, you cannot go to the lower court or the high court. This is all about this project. So thank you.